have lost confidence.
A delegation of BJP led by Cabinet Minister A.L. Hek and other party leaders today visited Nehu and took stock of the situation. Cabinet Minister A.L. Hek today said that the situation is going from bad to worse in the university. The delegation also held discussion with the professors and agitating students, informing that a delegation from the Ministry of Education is already here and inquiring into the matter. He said that the fact-finding team would have a detailed discussion into the situation.
So we have seen the situation there from bad to worse. It is completely deteriorated now. So these people also want to resolve the problem that we are facing at this time. So we said that we only can convey your message to the central leadership, to the Honorable Education Minister at Delhi, and also to our National President of the BJP, Shri J.P. Nadda ji, to send a copy. The situation is very, very from bad to worse.